Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Ethereum Classic, we are trading at $21.11. 24-hour volume, we're up 7.95%, and market cap, we are up 1.05%. So heading over to our immediate short-term chart for 1 hour, we are retesting this trend line here that we've seen backdated all the way from our swing high on February 27th. So as the progression comes into play, we can see that we've broke out in these higher volumes on February 28th. We've seen the MACD indicator switch from our red over to the green, initiating that bullish wave here. Now, as we can see with these histograms getting lighter in the color, it did diminish that wave and get that wave a little bit weaker. Now that we are in these red histograms, one of the things that we want to observe is the size of the histograms, and the size itself is only 0.02% here of these histograms. So this wave itself isn't as strong as we want it, but initially, in order to retest the area of resistance that we've got here at the $21.16, we will need to see lighter colors in this histogram. Now, our stock RSI indicator at the very top here, our K line did switch over in an uptrend, and it crossed over our D line, which did initiate that buying opportunity in the spike of this green candle. Now, whenever we're looking at corrections or when the price pulls back from a downwards trend, we are looking for higher volumes to support that uptrend. So if we focus in on this green candle here, we can ultimately see that the volume here dipped even lower compared to this red engulfing candlestick. So going into that correction, the uptrend is not supported by the volume of the uptrend that we wanted. So it's not a good support angle that we're going to see. So in the next couple of hours, what we are most likely going to see is a retest of a support number here, support zone. So as I scroll out, we are going to be using our fixed volume or our volume profile off to the side here, this blue and yellow indicator to show us that supply and demand zone. So we can see these two chunks right here, and then ultimately these chunks down here pointing closer to that 50% of our fib chart at $20.97. So this is going to be the projected dollar amount where I feel like the price is going to retest this area of support, because we see that dip of that volume with that high candlestick coming upwards. It's not supported, and we're going to see that retest most importantly at the 50%. When we take a look at our Bollinger Bands here at the upper band and the lower band here, we can see that they are closing in. So we may see that consolidation where we simply see price coming down to an area of support, price coming up to an area of resistance until we see that breakout. As we can see, the Bollinger Bands are narrowing, meaning lower volatility, and price may not be moving as quickly as we want it to. We do see a closing below our 20 moving average. So this yellow line here, multiple closures of, or multiple candles closing below that 20 moving average, we're going to see the continuation of retesting our area of support. And again, closer to that 50%, we can see multiple candlesticks retracing down to this level and retesting this area of support. So that's ultimately where I see Ethereum Classic going into today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, and comment down below, but I will see you next time. Bye.